Force restarting an iPhone without the home button.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about how you can force restart an iPhone, even if you don't have access to the home button. This is a handy trick that can be useful if your home button is broken or unresponsive.
What is a force restart?
A force restart is a process that can solve minor software glitches on your iPhone. It's different from a regular restart because it does not allow the device to shut down normally. Instead, it abruptly turns off your iPhone and then turns it back on. Force restarting your iPhone doesn't erase any data, so don't worry about losing any important information.
How to force restart an iPhone with a home button.
For iPhones that have a home button, the procedure to force restart is straightforward. You typically press and hold both the home button and the power button simultaneously until you see the Apple logo. But if the home button is not working, you can't use this method. So, what can you do?
How to force restart an iPhone without a home button.
Luckily, Apple has provided alternative ways to force restart newer models that don't rely on the home button. For iPhone models without a physical home button, like the iPhone X and later models, you can use the volume up, volume down, and side buttons to force restart your iPhone. Here's the step-by-step process. 1. Quickly press and release the volume up button. 2. Then, quickly press and release the volume down button. 3. Finally, press and hold the side button, the power button, until you see the Apple logo appear on your iPhone screen. That's it. You have now force restarted your iPhone without using the home button. In conclusion, even if your iPhone's home button is not working, you can still force restart your device using the volume and side buttons. We hope this guide was helpful to you, and now you know how to troubleshoot your device in case you encounter any minor software glitches. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks.